Hello everyone, hope you're doing fine. Welcome to the Learning Age Zero, a channel whose motto is to educate and teach for the betterment of the society. So before we look into what we have got today, I am sure most of you out there love music and sing your heart out. And sometimes what we do, we try to imitate our favorite singer or artist, and then we feel bad of not being able to reach the required scale up to mark. We feel disheartened or distressed of not being able to sing the actual song as it is. And then what we do? We gradually tend to give up. But trust me, the worry is no longer gonna last, because we have something in store in this video for you, and I'm sure you're gonna love it, you're gonna follow it, you're gonna try and practice to better your voice. So without further ado, let us see what is there in this video. This is Lagna Praharaj from the Learning Age Zero, and today we are gonna learn on how to modulate your vocals. Now you all love singing, and I'm sure most of you must have taken vocal classes at some point of time in your life just to improve your voice. But remember, you can always develop or build your own singing style and confidence too. There are some simple steps in order to practice adjusting your voice. The first one is start getting in regular singing practice each day. And you can do this by singing along with your favorite song or simply practicing your pitch. Do not ever get afraid to get creative with your vocalization. And the most important, you have to be very careful of your vocal health. So you can take care of your vocal health by not smoking and staying hydrated as much as you can, because that can give you best quality voice. So these are some of the simple steps which I follow in my day-to-day life because I love singing, and also I try different possible ways to be creative with my own vocals. So I'll be covering up 3 simple steps in this video which I follow, and this will be surely helpful for you. There are 3 simple steps which I follow in my day-to-day life, and I will be covering it up for you one by one here. The first point is exploring your vocal range. The second one is strengthening your singing voice, followed by the third one, which is taking care of your general health and voice. So now let us discuss about how to explore our vocals. The first and the foremost thing in order to understand the range of our voice is to just record a song by using a microphone, or you can launch a voice recording app on your device, and you can do some adjustment in the audio input settings just to understand the version of your voice. To get a little more comfortable and having a feel of singing, you can always attach a microphone to your system or computer. And by doing this, you can also get familiar with how handling a microphone can impact on the final sound. There are many karaoke apps in the Play Store market, and you can use these applications, or you can experiment on these applications just to understand the range of your voice, and also you can improvise on them. Now, in order to record a song, or in order to know the best version of your voice, you can always try singing a familiar song, or you can try singing a song of your favorite artist. Now you can either print out the lyrics or you can see in your phone, that's up to you. But make sure that you have to remember, while recording a song, you need to understand the scales and the pitch of the song. And you can only do this by listening to the song over and over again. It's better to choose a familiar song because you will need to work on it repeatedly over the time. Another important thing to keep in mind while you practice is you have to choose a song which is within your vocal range. So that's how you can modulate your vocals by starting off with a song which is within your vocal range. You can also work on making vocalization by using different parts of your vocal system. Singing is not just about the noise coming out of your throat and releasing out of your mouth. Concentrate singing the same song but adding little bit of vocal inflections by manipulating your tongue, your mouth, your diaphragm, your throat and your nose. So recording this vocalization and playing them back can actually help you understand your own body and also the sound that it can produce. For example, pushing more air through your nose can unsurprisingly create a higher pitched nasally sound. And if you gently apply pressure to outside of your nostril while singing, then you also might notice a change in your voice. Now let's focus on how to strengthen our singing voice. The first and the foremost thing in order to strengthen your voice is to start reading aloud every day. You can read a newspaper or a book or anything online, but aloud. Building up your vocal prowess isn't just about practicing singing. You can just use your voice in a purposeful way by reading aloud, and which can actually help you work on your inflection and to build up your endurance. And once you are actually comfortable with your voice, please try singing for at least 30 minutes every day. This is long enough to warm up your vocal cords, but you should remember that it should not be extended enough that it could strain your voice. It's best if you can use this as an undisturbed practice time. While you practice strengthening your voice, you should also work on maintaining a proper singing posture. Like you should maintain a proper body posture while singing. Stand up with your back straight and your face looking forward. Make sure that your shoulders are back and your neck isn't properly bent. Rest your tongue lightly at the bottom of your mouth so that it is like almost it touches your front bottom teeth. Slide your jaws side to side, and that has to be gently, and you have to keep it a little bit relaxed. And also please avoid slouching or bending over while singing. Lastly, in order to follow these 2 points, we have to also keep it in mind that we have to take care of our general vocal health. And now I will be covering up the third point, which is taking care of your vocal health. Now, we all have been hearing from our childhood to keep ourselves hydrated, right? The most important part of taking care of ourselves starts with drinking loads of water. So you have to take minimum of 6 to 8 glasses of water every day. Keeping your throat hydrated will actually help you to produce a deeper range of sounds. Water that is lukewarm but not hot is actually good for your throat, or it's actually good for your vocal cords. Try avoiding the usage of drinking cold water, because the cold water will not only affect your vocal cords but also it results in lessening up your singing ability. So avoid drinking cold water, because what I do is I generally avoid drinking cold water, and instead I use lukewarm water. With that, what I do is I add 1 spoon of honey. With that, I add lemon juice. Then I drink it because it soothes my throat. So you can try this and it will actually be good for you. Secondly, now let us talk about the sleep timings. So nowadays what we do is most of us are sleep deprived, and actually we need to get like 8 hours of sleep every day. If at all you are sleep deprived, then your voice will also get affected and it might suffer a lot. This is even more important when you are like singing at a stretch or singing for an extended duration. So if you can't get a full 8 hours of sleep, you can also supplement it by like getting short naps, by taking short naps. Let's say if I don't get enough sleep, what I do is I adjust my schedule just to get a better quality of voice and just to be active. I supplement it to get short naps throughout the day, and then that's something I do because sometimes taking a 30 minutes of nap immediately, and that too before warming up or singing, can actually improve your vocal cords. So that's all we have got for today. I hope you all have enjoyed the video. If you guys have actually liked it, please do not forget to share with your friends. Also, please do subscribe our channel provided below and stay tuned for more videos like this. Until then, stay safe, and this is Lagna Praharaj from the Learning as Zero signing off. Take care. Bye bye.